being hysterical this morning, so I'm trying to get it. He finds the ceiling fan, and it cracks him up, and I'm trying to... Oh. Yes, Lyle. It's so fun, honey. Good morning, Ben. Okay. He also is obsessed with the ceiling fan. I'm trying to show you how he finds the ceiling fan and then cracks up. Does he see it? Do you see it? I think you might see it.